Now let's roll up the tail of the seahorse to make it more cute. Take a piece of violet yarn and noodles. Thread the yarn through the noodle and tie a knot in the tail. Then roll the tail inward towards the stomach. And put the noodle goes through here. And put the yarn tight. Then roll it up. And thread the noodle to the back and put tight. Just like the video, use the yarn to make the tail roll up. Wrap the yarn and finish the seahorse body. Now we use the white yarn to make two wings. First, make a slip knot. And thread the crochet hook in loop. Tie the yarn. Then chain 3. 1 and 2 and 3. And then make double crochet on the first chain. and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then make a slip stitch to this position. And then make double crochet on the first chain. And chain 2, make a slip stitch this position. Once again, make a double crochet on the first chain. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch in this position, like so. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch to the first chain. Finally, cut the yarn, cut the yarn out and tighten. And finish the wing. We need to make 2.